Imagine waking up every morning to find your bank account has grown while you were sleeping. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's AI automation. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful strategies to turn your nights into a money-making machine. Whether you're looking to make an extra $500 or $5,000 a month, these strategies will help you earn money on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Let's dive in. Welcome to AI Money Lab, where we explore the latest AI tools and strategies to help you generate passive income, grow your business, and achieve financial freedom. I'm your host, and today we're talking about how to use AI automation to boost your nightly earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 unique strategies that you can start implementing tonight. These aren't your typical make money online tips. These are proven methods that I've personally used to earn money while I sleep. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Strategy 1. Automate a niche content empire. Let's start with something fresh. Building a niche content empire. Here's how it works. Pick a niche. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like AI tools, personal finance, or even pet care. For example, I started a niche blog about AI for small businesses. Create content with AI. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, articles, or even social media captions. Then use Pictory AI to turn those blogs into engaging videos. Monetize your content. Once you have a library of content, monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. For example, I promote AI tools like Jasper and Pictory on my blog and earn a commission every time someone signs up. The beauty of this strategy is that once your content is live, it keeps generating traffic and income even while you're asleep. In my first 3 months, I made over $2,000 just from this niche blog. Strategy 2. Launch a 24/7 AI-powered dropshipping store. Next up, let's talk about something different, an AI-powered dropshipping store. Here's how to do it. Find a trending product. Use AI tools like Sell the Trend or Niche Scraper to find trending products. For example, I found a popular AI-themed notebook that sells like crazy. Set up your store. Use platforms like Shopify to create your store. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions and MidJourney to design eye-catching ads. Automate customer service. Use AI chatbots like Tidio or Zendesk AI to handle customer inquiries 24/7. Once your store is set up, it runs on autopilot. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Your supplier handles all of that. I launched my store 2 months ago, and it's already bringing in $1,500 a month while I sleep. Strategy 3. Create an AI-generated YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about something truly unique, an AI-generated YouTube channel. Here's how it works. Choose a topic. Pick a topic that's evergreen and has high demand, like AI tools for beginners or passive income ideas. Generate content with AI. Use ChatGPT to write scripts and Pictory AI to turn them into videos. You can even use AI voiceovers to narrate your videos. Monetize your channel. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. I started an AI-generated channel 4 months ago, and it's already earning $800 a month with minimal effort. The best part, the videos keep generating views and income long after I upload them. Pro tip, combine strategies for maximum impact. Here's a pro tip. Don't just stick to one strategy, combine them for maximum impact. For example, you can use your niche blog to promote your dropshipping store. Turn your blog posts into YouTube videos to grow your channel. Use affiliate links in your videos and blogs to earn extra commissions. By combining these strategies, you'll create multiple streams of income that work together to boost your earnings. I've been using this approach for the past 6 months, and it's helped me earn over $10,000 while working less than 10 hours a week. If you're ready to start boosting your nightly earnings, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Drop a comment below and let me know which strategy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.